Well, I went online to check out how to make these, and I ended up with, as you maybe you can see, 20 by 25, but that's because the store only had a certain amount of, like, I had to get at least 4 of them, and in order to get 4 of them, I had to get this size. So, and it's pretty amazing. I've been not running it steady, but running it every couple hours, and it's really, when you can see the sun shining in and you see little dust particles floating in the air. Well, that was driving me crazy because I have 7 little dogs. One's a Shih Tzu Maltese and the rest are all Shih Tzu. I have their hair groomed every 3 months, shaved off. But even with that, and I bought a Dyson cannister vacuum, and that made a world of difference right off the hop, to be able to suck all the crap out of the cracks in the floor and everything. Because I was using, I believe it was a Dirt Devil canister vac and Swifters. A Swifter vac and a pet Swifter cloth and that, but it just wasn't doing good. So I have vacuumed daily since I got the Dyson, and I'm getting less and less dust and dirt in it every day. On top of the fact that I built this, and I can actually see down at the bottom. See how towards at the top it's a little whiter, and down there it's not so? Well, it's actually got some dog hair already on it. And one trick that I didn't actually do, but I didn't see it until after I'd already bought them, is to get a really good inside one, a Super HEPA one for the inside, and then get an outside one that isn't so great. Sorry, I got a movie going. So that the bigger particles get stuck on the not so great outside one, and you change those every couple months, and then you change your super duper good one every 4 to 6 months. And I'm absolutely astonished at how clean my air is and how little dust is settling anywhere. And I mean, it all has to do with my Dyson vacuum and the fact that I moved this around from each level of the house. We've got 3 levels, so it's working pretty good. I'm asthmatic, so I have noticed that I was using my Ventolin inhaler more often than usual, and it really was just the buildup of hair and dust and dander, even though I bath my dogs regularly and brush them out regularly, and I wear a mask when I brush them. But still, there's a lot of skin particles floating around just from everybody. So this is just made it so much better in the house. And I know, I could have just bought an air filter thing, but this didn't cost me, $400 plus, and it's working really good. I think the filters cost me about $20 a piece, and the fan I had to order it online through Walmart, and it was about $50, maybe $60. So altogether, that's about just less than $200, and I have a couple of replacement filters that I got when I got them too, because it was cheaper to buy by the 6-pack, and I got a 6-pack of them, so they were even cheaper than $20 a piece. But it's working great. I've completely taped the sides and everything. I haven't taped that on there, but I don't really want to, because I'm going to have to take it apart when I change the filters. And I don't want to have to keep taping it. And this is not an airtight seal or anything, but neither is this. And my finger can go up here. This is, and I've got, the tape down here, but see, when I go to change it, I'm going to have to cut it all right here. So
try restarting them. Unplug both of them, then plug in the router. Wait 30 seconds. Once the router is back on and
Alexa's talking to me right now.
Plug in the Echo device.
The Echo Dot. But I think it's great. And it's pretty easy to move. That's on high. And you're pretty close to it, and that's what it sounds like.